Hello y'all, it's Super Dave and welcome to my channel. Now, if you ever wanted to get paid to travel, this is an awesome side hustle for you. Now, a lot of people don't have money to travel to Europe, go to Paris, go all these destinations overseas because the tickets are very expensive. And if you've never been to these places and now is the time that you'd like to check out these places and get paid to travel there, this is the side hustle for you. Also, if you're at a job, let's say you're 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off, or you work 3 weeks, off 1 week, that week you're off, this would be a perfect side hustle for you because you'll usually spend 3 to 5 days on most of these trips. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be getting aboard an aircraft. You're going to be delivering paperwork. It could be a package, small package, larger package. You're going to be hand delivering these items from the US to Europe, Asia. It could be anywhere in the world, or you can just stick to domestic and just stay in the US. This is an onboard courier. This is the job title. Now, there are some requirements for onboard courier, especially if you're traveling internationally. Of course, you're going to have a passport. And with this company, you will also need a credit card. The website is called Air Charter Service USA. I'm going to take you to the website and I'm going to show you what they have to offer. They really need people that are based in China, USA, Mexico, Singapore, and Canada. So if you live in any one of those places, they need people there the most. Okay, coming right over here to the website, it says become onboard courier, delivering what matters. Air Charter Service is always looking for reliable, flexible individuals to join our global network onboard carriers. As part of our unrivaled team of hand-carrying agents, you will supervise the door-to-door delivery of a range of cargoes from high-value single packages to huge shipments and prototype parts. So, to become an ACS onboard carrier, you will have flexible schedule, be of legal working age in your country of residence. You must be able to speak English and hold a valid driver's license and a credit card. The opportunity to travel to a range of worldwide destinations. So you're just gonna fill out this little application here, put the country you're in, the closest airport, things like that. Where do you travel to? There are routes which have to be served more often than others, such as those in the USA, Mexico, and Asia. But we also have customers in need of OBCs for short European and domestic USA routes. You're not going to pay for a hotel. They're going to pay your ticket, of course. The only thing you have to pay for is your food and any attractions you want to go to, of course. Everything you deliver is, you're not going to be delivering illegal, you're not going to be delivering drugs or anything like that. Everything is going to have its paperwork. You may have one or you may have several boxes. You're going to deliver to a lot of automotive companies and contracts, paperwork. Of course, it's associated paperwork. It's all legal, nothing illegal. Your approximate time will be 3 to 5 days for each delivery. So you can stay in your destination after you get there a little while. You can go do some sightseeing. It's like a free vacation. And you come back, they give you another trip, and you're off again. What is required to fly onboard courier for ACS? Okay, you need these things here. You must have a passport which is valid for at least 6 months, an international cell phone. Data connection is mandatory for a job. So a lot of phone services here in the US, they will work internationally. Maybe if you have a prepaid, it may not. You have to be at least 18 and up. Good English skills. Additional languages are an advantage. And you have to have a working credit card and enjoy traveling to foreign places. Now, who doesn't enjoy traveling to foreign places? That's a free vacation, y'all. I hope y'all can apply for this as soon as possible before the word gets out, because a lot of people are going to jump on this, especially now that it's the summertime. It's people want to travel and all these destinations. They're going to try to apply. So be one of the first ones to apply before the positions fill up, y'all. I want to thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.